Alright, so today after fucking weeks of waiting, finally got the new seatbelt for the Prelude. 3-point harness by TRS, but obviously first of all, got to take the old seatbelt out. There we go. Right, so, get this one out. I'll unbolt this one from here. And we've got this one here. Alright, now if we can get in the car. So yeah, we've got to take that one out as well. Then obviously to get to that, we've got to take the ABS unit out and away, which is just a couple of 10mm. One there, one there. I'll sort that out as well. One there, and then there's one just under the loom there, and then we can get to the 2 bolts that hold the main piece in. And because I'm lazy, I'm using the gun. So there's one.
Daddy, I do the other one. Daddy, I do the other one.
Yeah. 3. Hey, I didn't even drop a screw. So that one now will move out the way, exposing the 2 other bolts. And we got that one there. Get out. That one there with the bracket. And then next up we got the 17mm there.
That was loud.
It was loud. That was another 10mm. God damn it. Where's my 10mm? I've lost my 10mm! No, I haven't. I'm only joking. Right. And then that one in there. Just try and take that out without losing the bolt. There we go. So that's the main unit, obviously all released. Got to take that one out, which is a 17 as well, and then we've got 2 more down there which hold obviously the lap side of the belt in. So get in there. Not easy one-handed. Managed not to lose any of the spacer or anything. My trusty assistant as always helping me. Other way, you're winding it back in, mate. That's it, good boy. So keep going. Keep going.
How long can go?
Right, pull it. Is it out? No, a little bit more then. Come on, give it a wiggle, it should come out now. There we go. Right, Benji. That's it, keep going. That's it. I'll pull the bolt out. That's it, done. Stop. You're gonna end up chewing up the threads. There we go. That's it, that's one OEM unit removed. Pull this back together. Obviously I've already put it back in, just got to do it with the bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, I can manage it. 5. So that's that all back in. No more OEM seatbelt. And get on with the TRS one. Whoop whoop. Okay, it looks like we're gonna have to take the OEM seat out so I can get to the other side where the seatbelt obviously clips into the receiver. There's no way I'm going to get in there. I don't even know if you can see it very well that way. So I can get the bolt out. It's just about to see the bolt down there. So I'm going to have to take the seat out again. Yay! Yeah. So obviously the seat's all out. it's that bolt. What I can see, it's that bolt there that we've got to remove. No way we'd have done it in the car. My trusty Hellbrow. Come on then, Benj.
Huh?
Come on then. Undo it. Right, put it on there. Right, give it a squeeze. Keep squeezing. Right, stop. Right, okay, that looks a bit tight. 1 second. Right, make sure you got it right over the nut. Okay. That's it. Hey, and there goes that one. Well done, good job. So just put on the seat back in now. When I find the right nut. Socket even.
Right, girl. Look at those stickers.
There we go. Try not to do too many ugger-duggers. I will find out their spec, torque spec, and obviously do it properly in a minute. Okay, one seat all bolted in, front and back. I didn't want to bore you with that, but that's all done. There you go, now you get your first sneaky look at the colour chosen. It was a bit brighter than I thought, but hey ho. I've already started this bolt off.
Daddy, I see the bottom of the
And again, I will double check any spec for any torque, just to make sure it's all down and safe, because safety first. And for the rear fixing point, I'm going to go with the OEM position, and I'm going to use the bolt that TRS sent out because it's a little bit longer than the OEM one, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. Again, safety first. There we are. Right, so that's all just started off for now. I'll get the old gun, the little one, and give that a few buzz downs. Oh. Get it to a position where I'm going to want it, I suppose. Sorry, I have to put the camera down again because I can't do this one-handed. There we go, so that's quite a few ugger-duggers. Again, I'll check torque spec and get that all done. So pretty much it. So through the seat to there, and then down the side to there. So it's pretty much a finished product. Just a quick normal standard release. They are approved for the road. And I bought genuine ones from Demon Tweaks. Paid a little bit more than the ones you can get from eBay, but at least I know they're legit and they're genuine. So I'll just adjust this one up to suit, and then I think that's job done. There we go, happy days. All adjusted up, all happy, feel pretty secure, all adjusted in the back. Happy days. Did make a schoolboy error. Note to self, shut door before strapping in. No, I can't reach any of it. That's it. That concludes the fitting of a TRS 3-point harness from Demon Tweaks. It's about 80 quid, I think. Took a couple of weeks to get here, but obviously current situation with coronavirus and etc. Sort of half expected it. So I'm not very good at vlogging or doing any instruction video or anything. Obviously I'm not a professional. I just literally just do what I do just out of passion. If you liked it, thumbs up.